If you want to remove a card from your Betterment account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. This guide will help you navigate through the necessary actions. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Betterment app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option, usually found in the profile menu or the main dashboard. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Funding Sources where your linked cards and accounts are displayed. Step 4. Choose the card to remove. Locate the card you wish to remove from your account. Click on it to view more details and options. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the card, look for an option to remove or delete it. Follow the prompts to confirm the removal, ensuring that you complete any necessary verification steps. Once you've followed these steps, the card should be successfully removed from your Betterment account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Betterment's customer support for assistance.